Morning folks, welcome back to the channel. Nick here. Today is Saturday morning, it's the 15th of January 2021 here at the Otago Heritage Bus Yard, just out of Dunedin City, the Tyree. Doing a little job today, driving a Mitsubishi Fuso, a little 24-seater. I have done a video on this before. $19.90 Mitsubishi Fuso, 7.4 litre engine, 5-speed manual. Rear storage space. Goes very, very well. When I sort of started my bus driving career in the late 1990s, I drove quite a lot of these these types of buses, and once upon a time owned one very similar. Let's have a look around the dash here. So nice easy 5-speed manual gear change, much like a car gearbox really. Very typical older model Fuso dash area. Tend to always have the same sort of dashboard and steering wheel. Controls for the door, Barbeque heater, which is very efficient. And very nicely upholstered, this vehicle. So I'm just taking a group of people down to a quarry area down near Milton, south of Dunedin, a place called Milburn. So we'll be heading into Dunedin City shortly to pick the group up. So just have a look in the engine bay. Hi guys, just have a look in the engine bay around the back here. So 7.5 litre, I should say, not 7.4. Mitsubishi Fuso engine. Lovely smooth motor, goes really, really well. So this bus imported when it did come to New Zealand, fully built. So built by Mitsubishi Fuso manufacturing company in Toyama City, Japan. So yeah, all built, factory built. So hey guys, I'm going to take a drive into Dunedin to pick up this group, so I'll do a bit of film of me driving in over the motorway. So stand by and we'll talk to you soon. Just quickly too, thanks to all my viewers, really appreciate it. Subscribers, love reading your comments, and thanks for watching, thanks for supporting the channel. If you are enjoying the content and you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, really appreciate it if you would. It helps me to bring more content to my viewers. So please do subscribe if you haven't already, if you are enjoying the content. and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. But other than that, we'll see you guys very shortly. Cheers. So guys, underway, just making my way from North Torrey here over the motorway and into Dunedin City. So pick up the group. Then I'll probably turn off the camera for a bit and catch up with you guys later, but in the meantime enjoy the drive into town in the wee Fuso. It's going to be a nice day in Dunedin today. This is just a bit of low morning fog, but it's what is it, about 20 to 9 in the morning. So cool morning, but should be a nice afternoon. So just making our way through Mosgiel here, little satellite township of Dunedin, part of Dunedin City now. But used to be a separate town of its own right, but now an outer suburb of Dunedin City. But quite a bit warmer out here. It's inland quite a bit from the main city centre, so it does get hotter out here during the day than it does back in Dunedin City, which of course is right on the coast by the sea. So we'll just make our way through Mosgiel here, folks, and we enjoy the ride into Dunedin. We're going to be picking up our group from the Otago Museum in Dunedin City. So catch up with you again later. about 3 minutes away. Oh, can you hear me? Yeah, I'm just about 1 minute away from the museum. No worries, mate. Yeah. G'day guys, Nick here, welcome back. Just a place called Milburn, south of Dunedin, about 40 minutes south of Dunedin. So this is the other bus on the road with me today. 2015 Mitsubishi Fuso Rosa, long wheelbase custom, 7.7 metres long. Just under 5 litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. So this is helping out Heritage Bus today. This is Head First Travel, another company that's closely associated with Heritage Bus Otago. This bus goes tours up to Larnak's Castle, as you can see as well. So if you're looking for a tour up to Larnak's Castle, these are the guys to talk to. It's sort of their speciality. Stunning day down here, down south, and if you're wondering what all the racket is, it's all these little calves. So yeah, the wee Mitsubishi Fuso's done a good job today as well, getting us here. So Mitsubishi all round today. Good reliable buses, touch wood. But yeah, beautiful, as I said, rural area, about 45 minutes south of Dunedin. So off in the distance, it's a bit hard to see from here, is Lake Waihola. That's where we drove through earlier on, but beautiful farmland around here. Just a nice look out here. So just got a group from booked through the Otago Museum. So we've been looking at fossils today. We're digging for fossils near one of the quarries south of Dunedin, and they just got some, I won't film the group, but they're just out looking at some fossils and remains that have been dug out of the quarries over the years by the limestone quarry workers. So beautiful day for it, and we'll be heading back through to Dunedin shortly. But look guys, that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, hoping you're enjoying the video, enjoying the channel. I may just see you again a bit later on in the day. I'm not quite sure what the day entails later, so if I don't, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. But stand by, there might be some more coming. Talk to you soon. Cheers, bye. How we going guys? Nick here, welcome back. Hey look, I'm back in Dunedin, so successful day with the group right down to Milburn, about 45 minutes south of Dunedin. Took a group from the Otago Museum out to a quarry to do some fossil findings. It was an interesting sort of a day, and I spoke to you a bit earlier. We're just up at a lookout point up there at the top of the hill. So yeah, good old day. We Mitsubishi Fuso, went very well. Look, 1990, not the newest bus in the world, but in very good condition. Lovely seating, very comfortable, good sized bus we're taking into that area. And you know, I've had a bit of experience over the last 23, 24 years in the wee Mitsubishi. Sort of started bus driving these when I was younger, and yeah, they're just a reliable wee bus. They're a great wee bus, the wee Fusos. I love them. But anyway, that's it from me today. And just remember to subscribe if you're enjoying the videos. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks again to all my subscribers. Really appreciate it. And we'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.